Alright, so we made a tricycle rack for the back of my wife's car. And the blocks are wood in there because I didn't want the sparks going underneath the tires and flattening them on her. So I don't have a jig to set this thing up in. So I had to kind of get it all laid out on the floor. You can see my marks where the pipe goes. Yeah, my blocks of wood are marked on all four corners to keep them all square. That was after I used the square several freaking times. It's probably not perfect. So there it is. Took me a few days to get this thing, get this made. It's quite the project. So, I still got a lot of welding to do. But the idea here is that I'm going to end up putting some loops on the side here, I think. This didn't end up as high as I thought it was going to be. So basically they're probably just for show. So I mean, I never made one before. I'm not a professional. I'm just a backyard mechanic trying to do things halfway at least right. So hopefully I'm going to use some chain links probably. I got them over here in my shot shell tumbler, just trying to get them cleaned up. But I thought I just saw, oh I did, yeah, over there, yeah. Okay, I missed a weld. I still got some more welding to do on the opposite side. I just don't want to get it too hot and make that the weak point, because the more you weld it and make it hot, it's going to make it weak, and then all the vibration, and that'll be the weakest point, and it'll just break there. I may have to run a support up from underneath to the bottom of that bar. Not really sure yet, but I guess my welds are sufficient. It's not too bad. Yeah, we get, extra places to kind of, wrap a bungee onto it or something. But the main thing is just keep the wheels in the little gutter there, and I'm sure once it's strapped down, it'll be all right. I hope. So there you have it. Like, subscribe. Moon cool, not so cool. Yeah, this is the Trike bicycle rack for the back of the car. A lot of work, a lot of grinding, a lot of cutting. I use a plasma cutter up there. That's that, however you pronounce it, that's what it is. Samadre? I'm not sure. I bought it on eBay. I bought the Hobart welder on eBay. It's $190. It does a really good job at welding. I've never had a problem with it. I've made a lot of stuff with that welder. So there you have it. Like, subscribe. Guitar pickers keep on picking.